Introducing the Limbs and Things Episiotomy and Perineal Repair Range. Developed as a cost-effective solution for core skill acquisition in both episiotomy and postpartum repair of perineal injury. The Episiotomy Trainer promotes increased confidence in incision of a stretched perineum whilst guarding the baby's head. The Perineal Repair Trainer allows for repeated practice of suturing techniques. Anatomically accurate, each pad features essential landmarks. And palpable anal sphincters for classification of the injury via the pill rolling technique. The second-degree pads are available in Midline and Mediolateral variants. Economical by design, each pad allows for up to 30 full repairs, making them perfect for early skill acquisition. The high-fidelity anal sphincter repair block represents a fourth-degree laceration and features a retractable anal sphincter. Trainees can dissect the muscle layers, allowing for identification and repair of both internal and external anal sphincters. Each trainer comes with a universal stand which can be used in conjunction with PromptFlex or simulated patients for scenario-based training. Also included is an illustration pack to support anatomical familiarity and OSCE testing. The Episiotomy and Perineal Repair range from Limbs and Things is ideal for gaining confidence and procedure mastery, leading to improved patient outcomes.